Hello, today we're going to be doing G67 2.78 PBA 45, solving these negative two-steppers. Kids tend to struggle with this portion down here on the bottom and also up on top as well, but especially these word problems. So I'm going to do a few of these with you. Now that you've seen the whole thing, I'm going to zoom it in so we can do a couple, and I'll let you guys worry about the puzzle. Why don't I just teach you the math? Starting off with the easiest one, this is a two-step equation here. We need to, if we write these, if we're neat, we can fit everything in. We need to subtract 5 here and subtract 5 here, because we're going to undo this. So now we've got 4n equals 29 minus 5 is 24. So I have to get rid of the multiplication by 4 by dividing by 4. So I divide both sides by 4. Now you've got n equals 6, okay? And I forget how you do this. I think you go up and you look wherever you find a 6 up above, and you take and put in a letter E. But again, I'm going to let you worry about the puzzle. I'll help you with the math. All right, let's take a look at the next one that's going to end up being challenging is, how about H? So we've got to get rid of this 17, this negative 17, and the divide by negative 3. So first we do the addition or subtraction in this case. So we add 17 to this side, add 17 to this side. These 17s cross off. This is going to be tight. So we've got negative u divided by 3 equals, well, 17 and 2, these are different signs, so this is going to be 15, and it's going to be positive. So now we've got to get rid of this u divided by a negative 3 thing. So let's multiply by a negative 3 on both sides. These 3's cross off. We're left with a positive u because we have a negative times a negative. Gives us a positive u, and that equals 45. And it's a positive times a negative, so it's a negative 45. So, once again, you go on up and find the, I think you have to find the negative 45s, and wherever you find the negative 45, you're going to put in the letter H. Okay? Alrighty. Let's try, well, let's jump down and try a word problem. Kids always struggle with L here. I don't know what the problem is with this one here. Must be the double negatives, but let's just do it. So again, we've got this multiplication here. Well, it's actually division by 4 or multiplication by 1/4. And we've got this negative number over here, this dangler. So let's get rid of this dangling here first, this negative 13. So we'll add 13 to both sides. These cross off. You have minus 1/4 h equals, well, 7 plus 13 is 20. So now we're going to get rid of that. Divide by 1/4. We're going to multiply that by a positive, by a negative 4 to get rid of that. So a negative 4 times a negative 1/4, that's going to give me a positive 1h. And it equals, well, 20 times 4 is 80, and it's a negative 80. So we go on up there and look for your negative 80 and put L's in wherever you want. All right, now let's take a look at a couple of the word problems. I think I'll scroll down to the bottom. It gives me a little more writing room. And let's look at C, and let's just see. You have to write your own equation for these. So 3 desks in a bookcase together weigh 157 pounds. So there's going to be 3 desks and a bookcase weigh 157 pounds. Okay? Now I put the plus there because I can see this 34, so the bookcase weighs 34 pounds. Equals 157 pounds. Okay, we can do this. We subtract by 34, subtract 34. Railroad tracks in here. These guys cross off. You've got 3 desks equaling, well, 7 minus 4 is 3. 5 minus 3 is 2. And we have 123 pounds. So now we divide by 3 on both sides. And slide that up just a touch. We're going to get each desk weighing 41 pounds. So then you can go on up there and you can look for 41 pounds and you can put in a C for all of those. T is another problem that has always driven kids nuts. So let me help you write the equation for T, but you'll have to solve it on your own. Mr. Piper's plumbing needed repairs. The plumber charged $98 for parts plus $45 per hour. So 98 plus $45 per the number of hours, and the bill totaled $458. So $98 in parts, $45 for we don't know how many hours, and equal $458. So you can go ahead and solve that one too. All right, hope this helped out. Good luck.